keep your eyes open all around. Here's her, she has.
What?
No, that's a different dog.
But do you think it's a stray dog?
I don't know. It's possible that the owner is right here. We have to look.
I wait here for you.
Yeah, let me see for a second. It is her. She's just so dirty.
Really?
Yes.
Oh God.
Okay.
So we got the
Oh my God, she's so dirty. I got you. It was a different dog.
got a leash.
Yeah. Don't look at her yet. Just throw like a piece there.
Just throwing.
Yeah, just throw a piece over here. And then just walk away. Let's do it again. Just walk, take a piece of hamburger and walk towards her and just throw it close to her. So just, yeah, you can walk all the way to the black car. Don't stare at her too much. All right, take another piece. She's getting curious. She's coming.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can walk again back to the black car and throw it to her. That's it, come to me. Let's let her have a taste of it. She's eating.
She's eating it.
So you can see if she starts running here, it's a major intersection here. Wait, just give her a second, give her another second. There's more food there.
But it's so funny that she looks so similar to Jill.
Yeah. There we go, you have a better angle from here. No, let her come to us, let her come to us. Throw another piece to the tree. Oh, the birds are coming. It's okay. Let her get comfortable with us, you know. And another idea is your sunglasses off.
Okay, sorry. Yeah.
She can't see your eyes. I want her to.
Another one?
Yeah, but closer to us. Like halfway between. I want her to see it.
Yeah, she's really shy.
Yeah.
Should I throw another one?
No, just wait.
Okay.
Let her get used to our presence, you know. Don't look at her, just give her, yeah. Sometimes we don't make eye contact, so she doesn't think that we care about her really. I just want her to kind of relax. She's sitting down. You know what I might do?
Go there.
I might surprise her from behind and just jump and fish her.
Really?
Yeah, I might do that.
God.
It's very aggressive.
Yeah.
She's not going to be happy. She might try to bite. So it's just gonna get interesting here.
But you don't think that we'll get her with cheeseburgers?
She's not very motivated. She's not very. Right, I don't know what she's eating here. It's not that there is. Oh shoot! Okay, the wind took the burger
But
away.
she's interested. Oh yeah, it's gonna be hard to get her.
Yeah. So technically, what I can do is I can use a trap. I don't think she'll. I don't know that she'll walk into one. You know the cage that I have in the car.
Yeah.
There's a mechanism there. If she walks in,
Ah, okay.
it closes.
Do you use something like that sometimes?
Yeah.
Okay.
The problem is it'll make some noise, and she's not going to be happy about it. And the last thing I want her to do right now is run away from me.
Yeah. Just come so close. Let's put another one.
Closer. You're giving her very big pieces. Smaller pieces.
Smaller pieces.
Yeah, because you want her to get used to this, like to gum and pick and kind of go from bite to bite to bite to bite and forget that we're here. And now she's going to see, because a kid gets a big bite, she just takes it and she leaves and she goes eats it there. But if it's tiny pieces,
Okay, I understand.
you okay? You're gonna get burned again?
Maybe, but I will put some sunblock on my arms. She's coming.
I might just use my loop there.
Should I?
It's going to be so crazy if I do that though. It's really not my favorite method. Yeah, keep throwing it down here.
Why is she so scared?
People weren't nice to her. It's not the nicest neighborhood at all. We gotta go really slow with the food right now because I need her still to be food motivated.
Okay.
I'm considering what to bring from my car to get her.
Should I give her?
See, you're getting cool footage. Here. Sometimes the bread is better because it looks like different. Shoot. That's okay. We can give her a second too. I wish this wall was taller,
Yeah.
because then I could have the fence close her.
And
But
scares me that there's a street over there with all that cars.
yeah, and when they're scared, they'll just run and run and run, and they won't look for traffic. And
Yeah. Oh, she's going back to the shadow.
yeah. Come on. Okay, see, I don't want to do anything aggressive because
No. Come here. How do you get her now?
it's tricky.
Oh God, I'm so excited. Because of the street. Come here. Should I throw some food? She's looking away.
It's okay. Usually rescues don't end in 5 minutes like today.
Yeah.
Just need patience. We need to build her trust. We need her to get used to.
I just don't want her to walk on the street. What she's doing right now.
No, right now, what you want her to do is do what she's been doing for so long, is cross these streets. She knows how to cross these streets. She's been here for a long time. She knows how to not get hit by a car. She'll come back here. Or maybe she'll go into a place where it's going to be easier. Just have to be patient.
Oh God, come here.
And I was so close here, but this plastic,
Oh No.
I didn't want to step on it and make noise and scare
and
her.
she was scratching
I know.
her belly, and that was perfect actually.
I know, but I couldn't leave
Yeah.
there. And the vegetation there, the plants, would have made noise and would have made her run. I don't want her to see me as a threat.
Yeah, I
Unless
know.
if I know I can get her. You see, some people she doesn't see. See how she.
She's scared.
Yeah. You see, she looks. They always know to lock in the curb. She'll find like snacks. She'll find like food.
And do you follow her or follow the dogs then? Or?
It depends. It depends on when she's gonna go. But she might just turn around and come back here,
Okay.
and she might not. So we're ready to leave. Let me have you grab the other burger. Let's grab the other. Yeah, do you have the other one?
No, just one.
Okay, so let's grab the other one, and then.
Following her?
Okay, let's go. Oh, there she is. It's okay. We can just try to like not look at her.
Yeah.
Just try to like see how I'm. Yeah, look at the camera or. So because you saw the person who was walking on the street.
Yeah.
She wasn't too worried about him because he didn't care about her. So we can just walk like as if nothing happened, and just completely ignore her. Just walk by her, and like as if nothing happened. Just come to me. Yeah. And then I'm gonna walk by her again, and when I'll be ready, I'll just get her. So I'm gonna walk again, and just so she gets to ignore me and. But
Oh,
I'm just gonna get her used to. So close. I'll get her. It's just a matter of patience and stuff.
Oh, thanks, yeah.
Here, I'll take another one of your pieces. Just small piece.
Yeah.
Thank you. Just be careful from cars, okay? Oh, yeah, I wanted the car to go away. It's okay, she's smart, she knows.
You want a smaller piece?
Just throw it, yes, throw a couple of pieces here. And then just keep throwing pieces here. So right, do you see where my camera is aiming right here? Yeah, just keep throwing pieces here. And then I want them more to this side, okay?
Okay.
And closer to me.
Okay.
Just keep throwing, keep throwing.
Yeah. I just have to pick it.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah, perfect. There's a little bit more towards you. Yeah, don't move. Yeah, perfect. I need many, many pieces. And just more towards here. It's almost like two cowboys that they have to like pull a gun and shoot at each other. I have one shot and I can't miss here. I'm not standing comfortably here, okay.
Yeah.
The problem is I need her closer because if she runs back from it, she'll get away. Yeah, keep throwing them here, like really close to you.
Okay.
Yeah, very good. That's it.
Oh, we got it! We got it!
It's okay, it's okay. Hey, 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 hey. No, 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 no. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, good girl. It's okay. Okay, we'll run with you. We'll run with you. We'll run with you. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Come on, come on. It's okay. It's okay, good girl. Come on, come on. Come quickly. Come quickly. You can come. I know, she's afraid. She's scared. Pretty cool, huh?
So excited. Oh, God.
You want to go talk to her? Go talk to her.
Do you think she will bite me?
I don't know. We'll find out.
Oh no. I'm
No, no, it's fine. I'll get closer. I'll see what she's doing. Okay, so I'll tell you what I kind of want to do. I mean, I'm concerned that if she'll start biting this thing, she can cut it. So I really want to put a leash on her as soon as possible.
Okay.
That's my main priority right now. And I also have to be careful she's not running away with the stick. So I'm gonna see if I can. Do you want to hold her?
Okay.
So you have to put your hand around my wrist. So yeah, put your hand inside. Do not let this thing go. If she runs away with this, oh my God, you're in trouble.
Okay.
No, don't let it go, okay?
Okay.
Okay. And I'm gonna approach her slowly and I'm gonna see what she thinks about me, okay? So you can let it a little bit less tension. Yeah? No biting me, okay? I just don't wanna, I don't want it to have any choking, but I want you to hold it tight. Because if she'll start fighting, you saw how she's running with it. Okay? You good? Okay. It's okay. It's magic. No, it's okay. You're so...
It's so cute.
Hello. Don't let us go. Don't let your guard down now, okay?
God, she was just looking for love.
Hi. And she's young.
Yeah.
She's young. And she's anemic. You can see her color. She's not very good. She's a little pale. And she was so scared she peed.
Oh no.
What's the matter?
But she can be good friends with Jill.
Yes, they're gonna be best friends.
God.
somehow I lost my leash in the process. How did I lose my leash? Oh no, it's here. Okay, I got it. Okay, so I just want to have an extra leash just for safety. I don't think she'll do anything,
Okay.
but I don't trust her until she's in my car.
Yeah.
You know? You want to come talk to her? So I'm gonna hold it. So we're gonna switch.
Okay.
I'm gonna hold this because she's not totally giving up on the idea. Go talk to her. Go. I want her to, because she's gonna be riding with you
Hello.
as well.
Can I touch her?
Yeah, go low. Go start from the chin, like I did. Yeah. There we go. Beautiful. You can pet her. Now you can just switch to her head. No, continue. Start again from the chin, and then go up. Go up. Perfect. Beautiful. Do you want to put the leash on her? Let's put the leash on her just for extra safety.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh God.
Come on, you're an expert by now.
No.
Yes, it's a quick Hope for Paws boot camp. Good girl. There we go. Beautiful.
Got her. She looks really tired.
Yeah. It's exhausting. She's so nervous. But wait, I'm not happy about how the leash is on her. Yeah, you can open it. You can take it off again for a second and just straighten it up. You can take it off. Yeah, and just make it straight. There we go. So it doesn't have all the, yeah. Perfect. You okay?
Yeah.
Good.
This was so amazing.
Okay. All right, pick her up.
Do we take? Huh?
I was just kidding. I don't know how she's gonna react yet.
No,
I want to
yeah,
see.
yeah.
I want to see how she'll do. Try to. I mean, continue petting her. I'm gonna skip over you here because I'm gonna have better light here like this. I'm not gonna get all your tattoos, but what I want to do is I want you to pet her head, but then go down to her body. I want to see how she reacts to
But
her whole body being touched.
when she bites me.
I won't let her bite you. I have control over her neck. She won't bite you either. She won't do it. And if she does, the hospital is like really close.
Oh God.
No, I'm
Don't say
just
something
kidding. I am just messing with you.
Like this?
Yeah, or you can go through her down her back and. I hope I got it on camera. How cool! See how fast it went around her neck?
I got it on camera.
You did? Yeah, it's tricky for me because I have to look at the lens and at the dog. And look, we have audience. The man over there.
It's just
Yeah.
unbelievable. You are so dirty. You have to wash all that stuff out.
But how amazing how fast she relaxed.
She's coming closer.
Yeah. You can come closer to her. Not with your face, with just your body. You can just, yeah, just let her, just be closer to her. She'll feel more comfortable.
Cuddling little babies. What I mean.
Okay. Let's see if she'll try to walk with her on the leash. So I'm gonna be just the backup, but see if she'll walk with you. Come on, let's go. And the airport is right here, see LAX? Come on, let's go. Come on, good girl. Come on. Oh. Come on, let's go. Come on. Okay, we'll do this. Yeah, see, that's why we need more hands.
I can switch that camera off. You're filming it anyway.
Yeah, because I'm just gonna pick her up.
Yeah. Okay, 1 second.
Okay.
Do you have her or?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what should I do?
I don't know yet. Hold this. Okay. Do you have this? Oh yeah, grab it to the plastic because then you have more traction. Okay. Good. And now I'm just gonna go pick her up.
Oh no.
Yes.
I have to throw that burger.
Throw the burger to the ground. We'll pick it up in a second.
Yes, I have to.
Yeah. Good. We're just being extra safe. You know. Hello. Good girl. Can I pick you up? What do you think? What do you think? You wanna come with Victoria and I? Okay, let's go. I'm gonna pick you up now, okay? You gonna love me?
What should I do?
Just hold it if she decides to fight me.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Can I pick you up? You see, now she's gonna get all tense. You see how she is? Look at her body. See how she gets nervous?
Yeah.
Because I'm reaching and like so I want to make her comfortable with me touching her and hugging her. That's why I want you to touch her body. Because I want her to get used to, oops, zooming in too much. Okay. Hi, good girl. Can I pick you up? So what I do also is I hug them close, their head close to my body,
Okay.
so they can't turn and do something to me.
Okay.
Can I pick you up? No? Look at me. Look at me. You're okay? Are we okay? Are we okay? Are we cool? Yeah? Are we cool? Good girl. Are we cool? Can we go now? What do you think? What do you think?
So sorry. Okay.
Okay. Okay. I'll pick you up. You know what I'll do? I'm gonna take the leash.
This one?
Yeah, I'm gonna take this leash.
Okay.
And we're gonna take that stick off.
Yeah, okay.
You sure you don't want to pick her up?
No, shall I?
You're nervous?
A little bit.
If you'll grab her like this, and like this, you'll be fine. But you have to hold this in case she jumps or does something crazy.
Okay.
You wanna try it? I believe, trust me, if I didn't trust you, I wouldn't let you do it.
Okay.
Okay, so let the stick go. You can drop it to the ground. And no, come in front of me, sit in front of me. On your knees. Good. Now wrap this around your, and you're just gonna take her from me. So you're gonna put your hand from here. Yes, all the way to your elbow, good. And now you're gonna grab from here, under.
Okay.
Pick her up. Beautiful.
Heavy girl.
Wait. Okay. I'm just gonna take this and then we have extra security. And we can take her, we can put her in the back seat right behind you.
Okay.
Okay? Wait, I'm gonna open the car.
Alles gut.
Oops. Okay, after you. Go ahead. I'm gonna open the door for you in 1 second. Okay, so I'm letting the stick go for 1 sec.
Okay.
I'm gonna take the stick off. Don't let her go now.
No.
She's all in your hands now.
Okay, and I put her in there?
Give me a second. Yes. Put her in. Still hold her with a leash. It's okay. Hold her tight with a leash.
Yeah, I have her.
Okay. All right, come on. Hop in. And one more leg.
No, she's so...
It's okay. She'll just be hiding there. It's okay. Let's close the door. Here. You'll close the door. I'm gonna do it like
God,
this.
this is so
Okay.
sad.
Close. It's not sad. It's happy.
Yeah,
It's
but
happy.
look.
I promise. I know.
just
She's
scared.
She's scared, but she won't be. You'll see. In an hour, you'll see she'll be a different dog. Okay.
Okay.
There we go. It's good stuff. You did a brilliant job.
Hello, baby.
Hi, good girl.
Should I take her on the leash?
No.
She's
Hello.
too scared. She wouldn't do anything.
Good girl. No, she's happy. She knows she's good.